again. This is Miss Trinity. She's our friend, Miss Trinity. She hangs out here all the time. So, we are going to make this friend. Oh, like that. So there, what do you call them? Little mechanisms. Yes. Mechanisms that we're just using. Again, boxes from cereal, or there is some crackers, and then Miss Trin has a file folder that we've already made things out of. Okay, so I'm gonna, we want a ruler, a pencil, some scissors.
And we have thick cardboard.
Thick cardboard, because this is a real thin, like, I think it's called like even paperboard or some other name. We want a thick that has like a
that thing.
That thing right there. Yeah, we need that cushion right there. Okay, so we are going to make, we need to make 1, 2, 3, 4 rectangles. Miss Marcella did almost 5 inches on hers, and I did 4 inches on mine. And mine, if I did it slowly, my it started to get a little gummed up. It didn't open all the way, so we thought maybe if it was longer, that it might work better. But they seem to both be working just wonderfully. So we need to make them the thickness of our ruler. That's how thick they're going to be. We can just take that first straight line anywhere where you're working. Set your ruler up. Oh, pencil right here. Oh. Pencils. Pencils. We are going to hold that ruler and mark a long line. However, however you can do it. We're going to put our ruler back on that long line that we just drew, and then hold our ruler tight, and then make another line. So it does not, as far as I know, matter how thick your ruler is. So if your ruler is a little bit thicker, then maybe you might want to make your lines a little bit longer, because I think that would help even it out. So I've got 3 pretty big lines here. I need 4 strips all together. So just for ease, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 here.
In my box, if I were to go right there, I'd be on a crease. So I'm gonna just
skip it.
Skip that one.
Yeah. We don't want creases. I think the creases might muck things up. Okay, and then I'm going to measure down. I'm going to do the 5 inches like Miss Marcella did on hers on that one. I'm going to put my ruler back up to a straight line that's, that crease of that box. And I'm going to count down to 5. Do it. Let's see what happens. So 5 inches one time, and then come over to my first one and 5 inches. If I have 2 marks from the same distance at 5 inches, then I can put my ruler, remembering, put my ruler at those 2 marks. And then I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 at the same distance, the same length. And now I want to cut these out. So we have to put holes in these so that we can put the brads in them. The brads are these guys right here. A little button with some legs on it. There should be 4 of them in your craft kit. We need to put holes in our pieces. Miss Marcella used a piece of cardboard and her pencil. She tried a pen and she tried a pencil, and the pencil worked better, a sharpened pencil. I like to use hammers. So I used a hammer, a nail, and a piece of scrap wood. Don't hammer nails onto your table, friends. Even here at the Mac, how loose we are with letting you paint and whatnot on our table, we don't want you hammering them.
Also, don't hammer without asking a grown-up.
So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4. And then,
I'm still cutting.
that's okay. You guys keep cutting. I'm just going to go on to the next bit. That I want there to be 3 holes in each piece I want one hole to be in the very center, and then I want one hole on either side. Let me show you. I take one of them. I set it on top of one here, like this. Make a 90-degree angle here. Line that up. I'm going to make a little mark. This is where they overlap. I'm going to do that on this side as well. And if this part makes your mind boggle,
pause it.
Pause it and take a look what we're doing. We're making 2 marks, one here and one here, so that I can find the center of that square. And I'm just estimating. You could break out your ruler and figure that out if you wanted, but I'm estimating. And I'm estimating here as well, just to show you how you would break out your ruler to do it. If I've got a 5-inch strip of cardboard, my center is 2.5. So I can make a mark at 2.5 inches, and I know that my dot needs to be right about there. So I've got my 3 dots, 1, 2, 3. And Miss Marcella marked hers out as well, and she's going to use the pencil technique, which all of you might do. So she's marking on her cardboard where she needs to put her piece and where she needs to poke it.
So it should fit right there in those big lines.
Mm-hmm.
And then those holes need to be about in the middle, right?
Mm-hmm. So she's just pushing. And she has to do hers one by one, where I like this method because I can lay all 4 of them together. Again, asking a grown-up for help is good, just so that it can even spot you. And Miss
Do you
Trinity,
need a thick?
yeah.
Sorry, Trinity.
No, she's gonna try.
I can just keep my fingers apart and
Yes. Because why are you keeping your fingers apart? What are you doing?
I'm just gonna poke it right through, and I don't want to poke my finger.
Don't want to poke your finger, and we don't want these papers to bend. We don't want them to be all bent up because they might not work the way
This
we want
might
them.
not work, but I'm just trying.
It's possible. I like to
That one's a little
experiment.
shorter.
Me too.
That's right.
So I've got my 3 holes. I'm going to put my nail on this one. Oh, and then grab my hammer.
Yeah, that's not working.
Okay, and then hammer. Right.
Push pin.
Oh, push pins.
That's why we invite friends.
Everybody has different ways of doing things and different ideas.
Mm-hmm. And they all, if they work, you did it right.
Yeah.
I didn't
Wiggle
think
it
about
around.
Cameras.
Huh?
I hope we didn't move with you hammering.
Oh.
No, I don't think so. Now I've got my 3, and I've got all of them poked through.
Oh. See, I'm gonna have to do it slow.
And that's
But
okay.
it didn't
That's
take
all
too
right.
long.
I poked holes in the one. I picked up the second one.
Oh.
Oh, look at
So
that
you made a
template.
Nice.
We like templates.
So did our friends see that, Miss Trinity?
I'll do another.
A push
Yeah.
pin.
Because I measured with this one. I'm taking this one and lining it up. And there's already that hole. So that's my template. Keep my fingers apart.
Watch your
Watch
fingers.
your
Whoop,
fingers.
that one bent.
It's okay.
Miss Trin, you could you poke it into that cardboard?
Yeah.
So that you're not.
I just
poking
didn't have
yourself.
one.
There you
You
go.
just do things. Whatever works.
Okay.
But that's not always safest.
Now I need to take the first 2, and then I need to put the center holes together. I'm going to take my brad. These brads, if you've never used one before, they have 2 little legs. One is longer than the other. We can pull open the longer. I think this one's stuck together. Oh, it came apart. We can pull them
These are
open.
The same.
They're the same?
The same length. I think it's okay.
It's okay if you can open it. So center to center, and then open up. You don't need them to be super tight. You don't have to push those down because you want to move them.
You want them to
Okay.
cut that
Huh?
signage out just perfect.
Oh, Miss Marcella's
Oh, this is-
original. All right, so I'm going to use this one because it started to make my brain hurt a little bit trying to figure out how to put these together. But look at this, okay? And then pause it so that you can see what's happening here. This is our first 2 right here, right? And now I want to do the next one. So I can put this one on top of here and put my brad.
Did I not think about it the same way?
I don't know.
I thought, okay, I'm gonna follow
Right
your
here.
directions.
And then
Okay.
this one will attach to this one. So now we need to do this one. And we can put that one on top of here. And put this one to this one.
See, I just thought make 2 X's.
It might work that way. Give it a try. Yep.
I'm trying it.
There you go.
Mm.
Okay. And then I put my centers together again. However it works. If it works, if you can move the legs and it moves the mouth, then you did it right. And there's that brad. So we push one of them down and then we can push the other one down. And then
Yeah, that should work, right? 2
Yeah.
X's.
2
Over
X's.
that then.
And
And
then
over
one on
under.
top and one on the bottom. Right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah. I even have mine one on top, one on top.
And it still works?
It still works.
So, alright.
Do yours one on top and bottom because mine kind of goes bump, bump, bump. See if yours works
Oh.
better.
We'll see.
Because it's hitting right where they overlap. I don't-
Too tight.
Oh, I think that does work better. So one on top and one below. Mine's not hitting like it was.
Okay.
I had both
That's
of
too
my
tight.
X's. I had the both legs on top. This works better. Okay, now here, it's kind of up to you. The internet video that I pulled this from, they took another piece, and you can draw it out to have some chomper teeth. So we draw out that chomper teeth, trying not to go past our cut lines so we don't have weird cut lines in our teeth.
That's very short.
How long did you make your pieces?
Maybe I didn't make them 5.
Oh no, they look
That's
5
okay.
inches. I
This
said like the
one-
4-inch one works.
This one I did 6 inches.
Oh.
I like that.
Yeah, that's like a lot of wiggle.
Yeah, so that might be a problem. That if you go too far, then it might stretch it out and it might not. So then you gotta figure out. I like to have it all the way out, and then figure out where this goes.
I'm gonna use this one from the last
There you go.
video.
Now those work nicely together. So you can use glue, you could use tape, but look at this. Womp!
Staples.
Staples. I'm gonna staple it again because it's wiggling. Oh, it's because I missed it. You know. Look, Miss Marcella is using her project from the first kit.
Because I like triangles.
And I love
triangles look like teeth.
and mine is kind of, look at, mine are so heavy. It still works,
Yeah.
but it's like bending it down. So I'm going to, while they're stapled on here, I'm going to take away some of the stuff that I can. To make it a little lighter. And maybe curve that mouth. And I thought that we could even, how could we put eyeballs on it? Mm-hmm.
I mean,
What do we have? Oh, that's so much better.
oh, curvy mouth. It's like a lobster claw.
Oh, lobster claw!
Pick some up. You can, for eyeballs, you can use another brand.
We only have 4.
Oh,
We only have 4.
We-
But I
we
have,
googly eyes in this
I
building
know.
too, but not all our friends would have those.
but I can make an eye stalk.
A what? Excuse me?
Eye stalk. You know, a little
Oh.
tab for my eyeball. And look, it's white on this side, so I can use my pencil.
I
She's making it 3D.
include on there, but I want to
Staple it on here. I'm so excited. I'm gonna tape it because
staplers. Is that a thing that people have in their houses?
I love staplers. I think they do
Maybe.
good things for art.
I do too, but maybe not all of our friends have staplers.
Take my work.
Take my word.
I'm
Look,
like,
see?
yeah.
Look,
Let's Trin, tell me what you're doing down there.
Well, there was a card laying here, so I thought, well, like they had cute little animals, and I kept like elephants. I like all animals really, but I'm trying to cut them apart.
Ooh.
So that I'm looking funky.
I don't know if I just covered your whole face as you explained that.
Oh, I don't think so. Because I'll go around his ear.
I like that a lot.
Because I gotta cut him in half.
Oh my goodness.
There.
Where do my teeth line up?
Friends, we like you.
We like you too.
Yeah.
So what should we work on next week?
Oh, do you have suggestions? Could you comment and let us know what you would like to do? We received a very generous offer from the Roger DeWitt Memorial Foundation that friends that she will, Miss Vicki DeWitt, will match up to $500 in donations to help us get these kits out to you. So, what would you like to make art with? And then let us figure out how to get that to you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's so exciting.
It is exciting. Thank you, Miss Vicki.
We always like to think of what do you have in your house, because we don't want your grown-ups to have to try and find extra things, especially when we're supposed to be staying indoors. So what do you have in your house? What do most people have? And if you don't have things like scissors and rulers and pencils and
let us know what you need, and we can
yeah.
more than likely get it to you. More than likely. Okay. I'm gonna end the video. You guys, you
We're gonna keep
ladies,
playing.
are still working.
Thanks for
Hanging
Oh.
out with us, friends.
Oh, Miss
Oh,
Trinity's got
wait, I
it.
gotta
Is that
see
fully
the-
taped? Oh, one more. Does he work?
Nice.
Oh, yeah.
I'm like, I can't see him.
Friends, have fun. Make art.
Hi.
And I just have to say right now, thank you, Mr. Paul, for editing these videos. We love you lots. I
Yeah.
probably love you a little more. Hello.
Hello. You're right there.
Right here. Thank you for
Thank
doing
you.
that.
We're doing our video right now. This is.
Oh, how sweet.
That's gonna take a lot of big kid help, but they're fun to play
See
with.
what they're making?
I'm just putting my bottom jaw on.
Oh, how sweet.
From your cereal box or your cracker box or whatever kind of box you got laying around.
Man.
Thanks, friend.
Daddy loves helping her do stuff like that.
I
Oh, perfect.
And we put sidewalk chalk just in case there wasn't somebody to help.
Okay.
Right? And we thought those memes that are floating around where you're putting things outside for other friends to get outside and walk, then they can see your pictures. So
That's
you
a
make
good
a
idea.
But maybe
big
tomorrow,
picture.
since it's
Yeah.
Yeah,
rain,
maybe not
you know.
the rain.
You know.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, let's choose a set.
Yeah.
And you had people.
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah.
That's we made 90 of them. That's what's left.
And this was left?
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Good. Good,
Yeah.
good,
Yes. We're super excited.
Yeah.
good. All right, let's choose one.
Do you have other?
Yeah.
She's our
Li-
only one.
Okay, I was gonna say if you need to take
Or
more
a
than
neighbor
one,
friend. If a neighbor friend can't get out.
With that one.
Ow, ow.
Do you want to take one? Well, we're not sure who we're going to be seeing. That's
Well, yeah.
That-
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
We
Friends have
understand.
picked up for neighbors so that they didn't have to come in, but